That was a
Fete de
good
citron
one.
was so good. We had so much
We
fun.
had fun.
Yes, I had so much fun. When I hear the soca start winding up my body, I wanted to get up and jump and whine and prance. Anyway, you guys, it was good and I catch as much footage for you guys. So I'm gonna cut it down as much as I can, but still let you guys enjoy it as much as how we did. Sarah! This one is pretty. You guys, for most of the parade, you won't be able to hear me, but I'll be able to show you guys because music is playing. So most of the parade, you guys definitely won't be able to hear, but you'll be able to see because, of course, I can't put the music in, but the parade is gonna be beautiful. So we're trying to find our seats right now, which is up here.
Avec nos citrons et nos oranges.
Des autruches bleues?
En fait, moi j'ai du mal vraiment quand tu vois, c'est comme dans les trucs.
Les cabarets,
etc.
Voilà, tout est entièrement. Alors parmi vous, vous avez bien sûr nos animateurs, nos ambianceurs qui sont sur le circuit.
Good job, Mama. Yes.
Après, c'est quelque chose de. Non, pas tellement. Après, tu sais, moi je suis pas. Moi j'ai des bancs. Moi j'ai des livres.
Allez, mesdames et messieurs, on va être actifs sur cette troisième parade.
Oh my god! Sarah! Yes, Sarah. I've been back. We've been back home and outside. Oh, I just glanced outside and it's so beautiful across the skies, how orange it is. I jumped right into the kitchen immediately. What's wrong? Look, sit tight, I find Stella, look. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I made for dinner because I'm hungry. I just wanna eat. So I made sausages for the kids and cream spinach and the macaroni and cheese. And for babe and I have some assorted veggies here and ooh, jerk chicken in the oven. So it's dinner time. Kids' plates already ready and they're gonna start eating while babe and I chicken finish up. Look at him, he's so tired over there napping. Oh, who enjoyed today's festival? Me. Yes. Me. Sarah said me. Me. Festival, not festival, carnival. I feel like I'm pressing your tie. No, it's pressing. Yeah. We're coming on to end today's vlog.
That was
Fete the citron was so good. We had so much fun.
We had fun.
Yes, I had so much fun. When I hear the soca start winding up my body, I wanted to get up and jump and whine and prance. Anyway, you guys, it was good and I catch as much footage for you guys. I'm gonna cut it down as much as I can, but still let you guys enjoy it as much as how we did. Which was your favorite part, Ty?
My favorite part was the parade.
Which one of the dance, which was the set of the parade was your favorite?
My favorite one.
My favorite was the very first set, the one with the white outfit, with the tall man and woman like Game of Thrones.
My favorite one is the one what it is again.
Which one was your favorite?
I'm trying to think.
Me too.
But I like the big is the
Cowboy.
is the elephant.
With the man up here dancing.
I like
My second favorite was the girl on the violin dancing and playing.
That's my favorite one.
Okay.
This one was the most.
Which one was your favorite?
I don't remember the shark, but my favorite is the one with the big thing that throw a lot of confetti on us.
Which one?
Le canon.
You have one that is on the lemon. I don't
Like
know
this
which
thing
dance.
that.
It just leave it up.
Oh,
and
with
it
the
just
gun screen.
Yeah, and it
Okay,
just
okay.
spread
Tell us
out.
enjoy the confetti.
Automatic.
Okay, Sarah enjoyed the confetti. I'm sure that was Sarah's favorite.
Oh, when she took everything in her head, she was.
Throw it on everybody. I
was
throw it
happy.
on my head.
Oh,
I
Lord.
throw it on the other people's head. I throw it on everybody.
Finish.
She still have some in her head.
I still have some in my head. I'm gonna pull out my hair when the kids gone to bed. Anyway, you guys, tomorrow, Tyler, sit down, please. Sit down, please. Tomorrow is gonna be a busy day, so I'm going to go ahead and put everybody to bed, finish up some work that I have to do, and get ready for tomorrow. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, give it a
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fan bam, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Sarah said tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.